Find the values of sine of s, cosine of s, tangent of s. What is the value of x? Okay, so you want to find this. I guess this chapter about the unit circle. So I've just drawn a circle. You have 0, 1, -1, 0, etc. 19 pi halves, that's positive, so we're going around this way. All the way around at once is 2 pi, which is same as 4 pi halves. Going around it twice, that'd be 4 pi or 8 pi halves. Go around 3 times, it'd be 16 pi halves. If we went around it one additional time, 4 times, or let's see, 8 pi, be 4 trips around, that's 16 pi halves. So, that's, 4 trips around. We start here, 1, 2, 3, 4 trips around. It's 8 pi or 16 pi halves. So if we take this, we subtract 16 pi halves from 19 pi halves, that's 3 pi halves. So I'm starting here, 3 pi halves would be around to here. 3 pi halves would be around here. Or, it'd be 4 trips plus this. So we're going to end up right here. So you can see the x value is 0, the y value is -1. We're looking for sine of s, which is the y value here, and so that's -1. Of course, the cosine of s will be the cosine of s will just be the x value 0, and you can probably get the tangent. Hope that helps.